went out walking, hoping that I'd run in to my old familiar friend. I went down to the river, I listened to the water, hoping that I'd hear your voice again. 'Cause lately life's been drowning out any sense of clarity or faith I used to stand upon. And lately I've been wondering, do prayers ever get answered anymore? Oh, but here I am with open hands. Am I even on your radar anymore? Have you forgotten who you were looking for? I sent you a signal, did you see? You just circled right around me and left me struggling to breathe. Am I even on your radar? I'm walking with my children,